So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to first go to your Google Play Store app. So now go to your phone menu and try to search for Play Store. So tap on the Google Play Store and try to search for COC or Clash of Clans. When it pops up like this or appears like this, tap on it. Then after that, tap on the update we are seeing over here. So as you can see, I'm seeing play over here. So when you see play like this, don't tap on it to open it, but rather when you see update, tap on update to get to the latest update or the latest version of this game. After that, tap on the app for some while, then you tap on app info. Then now when you get to the app info, tap on storage and cache and tap on clear cache. So after clearing the cache, what you have to do is to tap on mobile data and restriction or mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is toggled on. So after doing this, tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is toggled on. Now tap on permissions and make sure this is allowed, which is the camera permission. So after that, tap on the force stop, then you tap on OK to force stop the app. So after doing all this, tap on the power button for some while, then you tap on restart, and immediately tap on OK. Your phone is going to be off and also turn on automatically. So after turning it on, now you can use the app. The problem is going to be fixed when it's restart or reboot. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. If you found this video being helpful, tap on the subscribe button, like and also share this video. If you have any questions, just let me know in my comment section. See you in the next video.